I've been working with home video since the early 1980s, but I've never in my life played one of these. Betamax! How did I get this far without ever playing the other format? Well, a client has submitted some tapes for capture, and I don't have a working deck. Or do I? I bought 3. Maybe they all work. Maybe I'm blessed. Let's find out.
Well, here's the Betamax Tower of Power, too sweet to be sour. Picked up last winter, I think, off Facebook Marketplace for maybe $50. First, the Sony SL-HFR70 from 1985. The seller had it with the matching audio processor, the gimmick, I guess, being it was hi-fi ready. You could buy that piece later when you had more money. It's a Super Beta machine, not to be confused with Super VHS, which had a whole different plug. This one only has one weird port on the back.
It's got coax in and out, an RF unit. Is that probably which channel it goes on? 3 or 4. Control S. In and out for audio, but it's not stereo, it's only mono. And then video in and out as well. And then there's a port for Betahi-fI. That's the only one of these on any of these machines.
Second floor from 84, the SL-HF70, looking super cool with blinky peak audio meters. This one's hi-fi with the stereo features included out of the box. Ooh. What's under here? Stuff for the timer and levels and nothing I'm going to be using in this project anyway. Round back.
Has the antenna in and out, stereo line in and out, video in and out, and it also says in and out for PCM.
Finally, the SL-HF400 from 1985, not cheap at $800 back then. You could tape the NBC Thursday night lineup in stereo with the built-in MTS decoder.
He's an arrogant Twilight Zone.
Again, coax in and out, audio in and out. I'm going to need to clean these if I'm going to use them. Video, composite in and out, but it also says PCM in and out again. PCM to me means a digital audio stream. And there's no Betahi-fI port, but there is a Betahi-fI switch on and off, along with a power plug, just like on the previous one. There's a chance that this thing might be in great condition because it has been professionally repaired in 1990 by the place that I'm probably going to take some of my gear to get checked out soon. Okay, so the first try is going to be with the SL-HF300. What do we have under here? Timer stuff and recording levels. And all these things look like they're set right. We've got a tracking dial, sharpness. Is there a middle for this? No, there's no, oh, there is. There's like a middle that it sets in. And then filters, we're gonna leave those off. Okay, this is my first time ever playing a Betamax tape. It's got a question mark on it. Don't know what's on it. And I have virtual dub set up to capture. We're bypassing the time-based corrector this time. I'm just gonna go straight to the capture device. Let's see what happens. Try power. And then we put it, Is there something in there? Oh. Let's try power, come on. Okay, that thing lit up. Let's try this. And then we, it won't even take a tape. I don't know beta machines. I don't see anything weird in there. Is the tape weird? Tape doesn't look weird. Is that rust? No. All right, HF300. I'm sorry, we're gonna have to call an end to that one. Next! All right, time for VCR number 2. This is the HF400, the SL-HFR70 Super Beta-Hi-Fi superior picture quality and ultra fidelity stereo sound and all these other features. We've got monitor select and clocks, timer stuff. There's a little thingy up here. Okay. We're going to set the normal audio to that. Yeah, it's tuning stuff. Don't need to worry about that. Backwards. Boom. Okay, let's give this one a shot. Same mystery tape. Ah, power. How about that? Let me just try another tape. I don't know. Boo. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. Okay, VCR number 3 is Beta, Super Beta with slow motion, courtesy of the, where's the model number? SL-HFR70. This is the most recent of the VCRs. It's also the lightest. This one was the least heavy of the bunch. Will it take the tape? Let's go. Power on. Ooh, something actually came up on the screen this time. Let's go. It's working. Let's hit play. Oh, I'm gonna hit record. Capture video. Okay. I see nothing. That is probably a capture issue. Really, because I'm seeing nothing, like nothing, not something messed up, like seriously nothing. So, let's stop and take a pause. So what I've done now is I've routed the video out to the time-based corrector. So it's going to come out by S-Video and go to the capture device into virtual dub, in theory, right? No. Don't spill out. Okay, good sign. Now, show me something. Nothing. It looks like it's playing. Oh, I have audio. Oh, there was sound. That's a good sign. I've got no picture. You know, you wiggle the cable. Does anything work? Oh, I got... All right, that flashed, right? So, okay. So that tells me that the video is, there's signal going through the system to that. but there's no picture coming out. Okay, this one at least seems to be playing and rewinding. But not a darn thing up on my capture screen. Oh, that's not good. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Betamax. Okay. Kitchener, Vaughan, Toronto. Look at that beast. Look at Gigi. Just a movie.
I'll have to figure something out. If this video has been helpful to you or even entertaining, please give it a like. And for more adventures in preserving old media, subscribe to me here at Scott the Media Hoarder. See you around the corner.